Eight, 10. 823.
Awesome. Yeah, you're gonna hold there. Okay. We got to come in before you can come out. We on the railroad now. That's the intermodal on the other side.
Hi, Tom.
Hey, what's up, Dominic?
Not much.
This is my fourth time doing it. Wait,
The first one counts.
and the other times I did, I had a defect.
Well, hopefully not this time.
Let's see once more. I'm looking forward to it.
Give me a second here.
14.
How do you like running the little trains? I'm sorry.
Alright, number 8.
They're running back here too. Your train fell apart.
Who has ticket number 19, please?
I slowed it down.
Sorry, I had to laugh.
Am I gonna have to go back?
We had a little accident here. A couple were broke. Knuckle broke. Knuckle broke. On camera.
Hialeah Yard is the southernmost terminal on the
Boop.
NBC Railroad. 372 miles from Jacksonville.
Oh, it's Hialeah.
Hialeah Yard, a one track. It is the easiest way. Most trucks have that good way to turn trains around.
Yeah, this is. I
So,
just recognized
two
you.
engineers right now running around the
No
building.
kidding. Long time ago, right?
This is a
Excellent
double
job.
stack train as it turns on the lead track.
Where I work, and it's like, I know you.
The double stack trains that FEC runs about 14
Yes,
per
I know
day.
you.
Take 212 semis off I-95. That's something that's good.
Where did your managers get off to?
It's in Hialeah because I said it could be in Hialeah.
That's funny.
We get 23, there's 23.
718 and 722.
Hey, Micah, you better slow up. Start slowing up. The bridge is up. The bridge is up. All right. Okay. Oh, good job.
Who has
Good
ticket
job.
number 24, please? Would you look at your tickets, Mr.
Alrighty.
Once your train comes off of the bridge, you can put the bridge up by turning it. Okay?
Exactly.
Flip the switch up.
It's going to time.
Oh, yeah, just like that. Watch.
We're all having a great time.
Okay.
There's one thing about this train itself.
Alrighty.
We have a little bit more room. So we will let each junior engineer take a train down the line rather than just a small segment. I think there's more fun for everybody.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Doing
put-
great.
Okay, very shy today. Gonna go run behind Chris Farr.
I thought the
Nah,
coming.
you can leave him up for right now.
I thought the train was coming.
Who has ticket number 24, please? Would you
Oh, no.
the yellow portion of your
We're
ticket?
stopping. We're meeting another train here.
Stop.
Right here behind me, and we'll get a train.
Hey, Bob. Bob.
Are you coming through?
Stop.
Engineer David Shelley, which train do you want to run, David? Who said that?
We got two over here now.
I'd like to introduce David Shelley.
All right, you ready? All right. Hey, Micah, here you go. All right. Welcome. All right, Micah, take care, buddy. Now, you go see Mikey in the conductor. Right now,
Slow down when I get to his turn.
they're going to replace him with the ES44 stuff.
We'd like to thank everybody for coming and visiting us here at Junior Engineer. Has ticket number 29, please. Just want to take a look at the office car special. Miss Anita Caboose is at the throttle. And here she comes right through Titusville.
34 miles an hour.
Yeah.
34 miles an
Damn.
hour she's running.
Watch your stuff down.
She's got those cars so rock solid steady that not one drop of one drink is spilled overboard. Got a Jivo on the point and the pink lady 436.
I'm pacing it.
We wondered where the St. Augustine was today. St. Augustine is not on this train.
Take another one, Sue.
I think it's going faster than 34.
Yeah.
The St. Aug is not on this train. If you remember when we went to convention in Jacksonville,
I think it's sped
we
up.
rode the Azalea. We did not ride at St. Augustine because it was laid up for new carpeting interior work. And that's just what happened today. We went too far up to put that carpet in N-scale right down the center of the St. Augustine.
That's congestion.
Yeah, we sure did.
Congestion.
Dominic, you can see your train. Boy. Take the photo. Take the movie.
That is so good looking, isn't it? That is
This is
good
Caboose
looking.
running that train, that office car special, and away she goes around the bend at Harvey's Grove. This girl blasting through Bonaventure. I tell you what, those sheet metal buildings.
I'm also getting video of her running it, so. Very good.
Down the line she goes, watching that pink lady.
Well, on the Azalea.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave Miss Caboose here in Palm Bay for a second. Get further down the line
My
so I
area.
can light a sparkler when she goes by.
No defects. No defect. End of transmission. I got that down pat too.
Yep, you sure do.
We'd like to congratulate Miss Jan Erickson, junior engineer, number 76 for today. Thanks, Jan. Thanks for everything.
The bridge goes up.